Good day guys, welcome back to Super Kitchen. Today I am doing a creative dish, corned beef with pak choy. So I am now cleaning my pak choy. I chopped up some onion, sweet pepper, tomato, some hot pepper, garlic, and a piece of dried thyme. So I've heated a little oil over here. I'm going to saute my seasoning. So here is the prepared vegetable, the pak choy with some carrot, and we're going to put this in the pan with the sauteed seasoning. And the pak choy steam a lot of water, so you don't want to put any water on this. Just put it in, cover it, and turn down your stove very low. After 5 minutes, you want to stir your pak choy. Cover again. I'm going to add a little all-purpose, black pepper, and some salt. Remember guys, when you're cooking, season to taste. In a separate pot, you will saute some seasoning for the corned beef. Whenever I am cooking, mixing corned beef with any form of vegetable, I like to cook them separately and then mix them up. Saute the seasoning, pepper, onion, tomato. Then we have the corned beef right here. Just add a little black pepper to this. So now that my corned beef is finished, I am going to combine the vegetable and the corned beef. And at this point, you just need to combine it and then turn off your burner. You don't need to do anything else. This is it, lovely. If you love corned beef and you love pak choy, carrot, trust me, this is a very lovely dish, and it doesn't take much time to prepare. That's it, guys. I'm going to plate this now and get back to you in a bit. Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to subscribe, like and share. I would love to hear your feedback, and if there is anything you would like me to cook, leave that in the comment section as well. Keep watching more videos to excite your taste buds.